Hey guys, it's Michael Gascon, the Horse Guru, and like I promised, we are back with Lee to do his first session of the Come Get Me trick. So Lee is the spotted saddle horse, 7 years old, problematic pony that we just did our first session of the Respect series, and we're going to give him his first session of the Come Get Me trick. So whether you just want a redneck Ferrari that's going to come pick you up like valet service, or you're arthritic and stiff like me and have a hard time getting up on the horses, so you want him to come pick you up, this trick is going to do the trick. A couple things you're going to need. You need a halter. You're going to need a saddle, hopefully, and something to climb up on. In this scenario, the gate. What I want to do first things first is I want to show him how to move his butt with a crop. So I'm going to bring it here and tap till he moves.